Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 9 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really busy week, but a really fun week last week here at SMS, as you can see from some of the pictures that are in the connection. And we do have several events that are coming up for this week to keep on your radar. We do have an admin meeting at 8 a.m. on Monday. On Tuesday, students, the Patriots Pen essay is due. Also, Impact Leadership students, you do have a debate on Tuesday. This was also the end of the first 9-week grading period, and we will have MSU students on campus with us. On Wednesday of this week, Nathan Harmon with Your Life Speaks will be here in the morning to talk to SMS students. On Thursday, we will have PLCs. Also, MSU students will be back on campus on this day. Report cards will go home on Tuesday. And then after school, we will have a TNI meeting. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday as always. It's also Mr. King's birthday. And over the weekend, next weekend, we will be having the Night at the Museum trip. So that is for those 7th grade students who have signed up to go on that trip. For this week's Student Spotlight, we want to shout out to our Simons Middle School cheerleaders. They took home first place at the NKCCA cheer competition in small game day. We're very excited for these girls and we're very happy for them. If you have not seen our SMS cheerleaders, they are legit, so you need to get yourself to a basketball game this year and take a look. They're really good. They're really, really good. And good luck, ladies, in the future. I know you have many upcoming events. Also, shout out this week in the Cougar Connection. We just want to shout out to McKinley Mulholland and Maddie Singer. That's one of the pictures in the connection this week. They ran in the Class 2A Varsity State Cross Country Meet this past Saturday. A few other upcoming events. Don't forget about Winter Formal. It is going to be December the 9th from 6:30 to 8:30. Also, students and parents, if you have needs, if you need a poster printed or a vinyl banner, we can do those all in the library. And coming very soon, we will also be able to make trophies and medals. So we will announce that in the connection when we have that capability. Also, 6th grade students, don't forget about the trip to Indianapolis. The signups for that are still ongoing. And if you need to raise money for that trip, you can do that by working bingo with our Cancer Care Club. You just need to get in contact with your teachers and they will help you sign up. Also, I know there's been several questions about our Bring It orders. We have already placed an order. We placed it after fall break. Those should be here, I would hope, this week. And we are taking up another order that we will be sending out after or before Thanksgiving break, rather. And that is all that we have this week in the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.